I'm a digital asset and contract specialist at the Christchurch City Council. We're using Snow Atlas. I think what prompted us to move from on-prem to Atlas was some of the new capabilities which we were eager to take advantage of.
I think it's not just about knowing what you've got, but the utilization of it as well. And I can't sell that enough about the visibility of what our fleet was doing, because that was a black hole for us before this technology came along. So it really has been a great win for the council in that respect.
It's about compliance, not just from a licensing perspective, but from a security and from a support. One of our key KPIs is percentage software under support. 85% of our software need to be under support, and we finally crossed that line using Snow Atlas to identify inactive software, tidy up multiple versions. We've also been able to use it to tag software to emulate a software catalogue. So we were able to use the SaaS portion of Snow Atlas to identify unallocated and inactive licenses across M365 project, Visio, etc. And that's been added to our cost reduction dashboard. The outcomes we've achieved and how long it took and the results to date, visibility is probably the first one out of the gate. The next one was reduced technology spend, so a direct consequence of that, loading our entitlements, seeing installs versus actual usage. A great vehicle. So 90 days out from when we have a renewal or a contract expires, that information, evidence, is critical in informing what we do or don't renew for the year ahead or for the term of the contract. We found the post-sale support services from Flexera amazing. I mean, we deal with a lot of vendors, and there was a sense that this is a well-experienced team, familiar with the product.
As we got exposure to all these sort of old machines that were kind of around the council, they also picked up old bits of software that were many versions behind and out of support, no record of ever being brought. So that's helped with that sort of overall goal of recycling those machines out, but also addressing the software that was installed on them and saying, well, actually most of these things are no longer required, or there's another application that can be used within council that does the same thing, that's better licensed, better supported. So that will help with that sort of sustainability story within council.
I more focus on finance part, but for me it's quite user friendly. And if someone wants a tool, is easy to get hands on and not that complicated to learn and to explore, I think it is quite good tool to manage your assets.
Now, our CIO now has us sitting at the table. They see the value that we can provide a narrative around when it comes to our digital asset landscape. We're so always kind of trying to make our job easier by integrating, automating, so we're in a far better position now.